Hey everyone, so this is the rooftop of Kobe, the port of Kobe Tower. So I'm currently in Kobe, Japan. It's a underrated city in my opinion. I mean, they got a lot of unique activities to do. I mean, you can stay a few days, like at least 2 or 3 days, 2 days at least down here. There's also a beach close by, but due to my limited time here, I won't be able to explore everything. So, but this is one of the landmarks I wanted to check out. As you can see here, this is a beautiful waterfront. It reminds me a lot of like Tampa, Florida, except we don't have a landmark observation tower like Kobe does. But as you can see, as of now, though, because it's in the daytime, the waterfront is not as vibrant as we hoped it would be, but maybe in the nighttime is different. Once again, I had to see it for myself, but unfortunately, I won't be able to. But it's a nice view. I mean, they got a lot of shops. The streets are clean. I mean, man, this is definitely a city you should check out. I mean, especially if you're coming from Osaka. It's only like I believe a 30-minute train ride. But just look. And it's also probably more affordable than Osaka as well. And they do have a huge Chinatown down here, but also another thing that they have is what else? Oh yeah, you can actually from the Kobe Shinkansen station, you can actually hike up to the mountains, and there's a beautiful waterfall. Unfortunately, it will take me a 40-minute walk to get up there, and it's really hot down here, surprisingly. But man, I love this view. I mean, the fact that there's not too many observation towers out there that lets you go stroll outside. I mean, Dallas doesn't have this. New York, well, the Empire State, you can, but it's all guarded up and you're like caged in completely. You don't have the freedom they don't have like a glass window or so. At least when I went back in 2007. I think it must have changed now. I don't know too much about it. But let's go see some other landmarks. So yeah, this is the water. So as you can see here, we've got some hotels, and I thought that was a condo tower for real. Maybe I'll stay here next time when I visit Japan. So this is a museum down here. I forgot which kind of museum this is. Look at the architecture, just look at it. And also there's a Starbucks down there if you need a refresh. But there's a Port of Kobe earthquake memorial, as you can see. It's further down there. I can't really point it out, it's behind the hotel. And down there, let me see. Yeah, you see the B Kobe sign. That's a nice landmark. A good place if you want to take pictures and post it on Instagram. I personally don't have it. I don't have Instagram, but I just take pictures just for memories or so. So yeah, I mean, yeah, and down there, that's the Port of Kobe earthquake memorial. Yeah. So that pretty much summarizes my rooftop tour of the Port of Kobe Tower. I recommend, if you do make a trip to Japan, to check it out. It's very nice and peaceful today. And as you can see, mountains are over there. Yeah, I know it's kind of been a while since I made videos and all, but I've just been so busy on my end. It's not even funny. And sometimes I just forget to make it when I'm there, because I'm just enjoying the moment. But I'll try to be more active next time. Anyway, yeah, this is shopping mall. Anyway, I hope you guys, once again, make a trip to Kobe, Japan. And other than that, you know, feel free to like, share, subscribe. I mean, this is definitely a unique place. I would definitely like to spend at least maybe 2 nights here just to check out the entire area. Anyway, you guys stay safe and have a wonderful day.